Assalamu alaikum guys, what a beautiful day. We're a few days into Ramadan and the weather's absolutely banging, so me and the family have decided to go for a walk in the local park, and it actually feels like we've got some kind of normality back. You know, there's people out with their dogs walking them, there's little children playing. It's a fantastic sight. And I tell you what, it is kind of hot and I can think of just the thing on such a day, so let's get to it guys. Today I'm getting some drinks ready for us to enjoy during iftar, and I thought I'd share the process with you guys. Now we've got a really tasty mixed berry milkshake prepared with frozen fruits, and we're going to make some mango lassi, and finally my wife's favourite, some mango milkshake. Now all of these recipes are courtesy of my time managing a restaurant in Birmingham which is called Shia Khan's, and that was years ago, so I want to try and do my memories some justice. So Ramadan's such a blessed time guys, and this is the month that marks the revelation of the Quran to our beloved Prophet, as well as being the time the previous books of faith were revealed according to Islam. But I think the importance of it is kind of lost on some of us as we all fast. I often find it's kind of interesting to see people with all kinds of reasonings and justifications behind their adherence to the faithful act. Now my kids are kind of young, right, and we're trying to introduce them to fasting, telling them all sorts to try and inspire their little hearts. Just yesterday, after fasting till about 2:30 in the afternoon, my son approaches me and he's about 8 years old, right? And he says, "Dad, I've experienced how the less fortunate people feel, and it isn't nice, so can I just go and eat now, please?" Bless him. I wasn't trying to torture him, yeah? But he had his forehead all scrunched up and he was mighty serious, so I says, "Okay, yeah, go and eat." But on a serious note, guys, fasting is much more than just experiencing how other people feel, right? So much more than an opportunity to detox our bodies and to alleviate ourselves of all of the excess toxins that we've accumulated. I think it's so much more than a means to attempt to lose some of that excess belly fat that we've piled on in lockdown, comfort eating whilst watching Indian soap dramas. So modern science and medical research has proven unequivocally that fasting is a medicine for the stomach and mind. But let's look beyond that for a second. I think it's an opportunity to submit to the will of our Lord. Islam means submission, guys, and committing to fasting is a chance for us all to not only cleanse our bodies, but also to attain closeness with Allah, and to remember that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is closer to us than our jugular vein. No matter how hard the times are, call out to Allah and await for deliverance from whatever difficulty is that you're facing. Because believe me, Allah is there. We just gotta take that step towards Allah. And especially during this blessed month, guys, gain closeness to Allah and take from the mercy and blessings that Allah has provided us during this month. Now, I pray for you all, and I ask that you do the same for me and my family. And if you've enjoyed this short video, please do drop us a like and consider subscribing if you aren't already. Anyway, give one or all of these drinks a go and let me know your thoughts. I know me and my family are going to enjoy them during this iftar. And in case you're wondering, you can find instructions, ingredients and quantities in the description box below. And on that note guys, until next time, Salaam.